Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got my next little project here. This is Uncle Henry lockback. Um, the main thing I wanted to focus on this knife is just to see if I can get this really worn out blade sharp and usable again. Otherwise, it's just gonna sit in there in my drawer and do nothing. The blade is not sharp at all. I mean, it's just super dull. So I got a new strop here. I've used it once and I want to test it out, so I thought, well, let's see if I could actually get this thing to be sharp and usable again. I'll show you real quick on a piece of paper here that, I mean, it's literally nothing. No sharpness at all. I just wanted to take on the challenge and see if I can make this a usable knife again. It's a good looking lock back here. I mean, it's a Uncle Henry. It's got this imitation bone here. It looks pretty cool. I'm not going to try to fix up the outside of it. It's like too far gone for me to deal with. I might try to shine it up a little bit, but other than that, I'm just going to focus on the blade and see what happens. All right, here's the belts I'm thinking of using here. For the sharpening of the blade, I'm going to probably use this 80 grit, and then we'll go to the 220, and then we'll use the strop. And then just on the surface of the blade, I'm thinking about using this abrasive belt, followed by like a 400, followed by this, I don't know what it is, maybe it's probably like 1200 or something like that. And then go from there, see how that works. Get started. Alright guys, done with the knife. This is as far as I'm going to go. Kind of polished it up a little bit. Nothing crazy. Just cleaned it up. Cleaned up the sides. Sharpened it. And just wanted to make it a user again. And got some paper here. Let me check. Give it a quick check on the paper. Alright, good enough. And let me go ahead and grab some Swiss chard real quick, and we'll chop that up for the heck of it. Okay, I'm back. I got a small leaf of Swiss chard here, so let's go ahead and see what we can do with this thing. Let's just cut it in half. And let's just keep cutting it down a little bit. Got the stem part here. Alright, here you guys go. That'll be for your salad tonight. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.